Hey there, how are you doing? This is Miss Norma and welcome one more time. Good. Today is Thursday, so we have cooking class. Yay! And today we're going to learn how to do cookies, how to make cookies. This is a really easy peasy recipe that you can do it at home, especially this week that we're celebrating Mother's Day. So you can prepare this for your mommies. Yummy! And what you need is the following things. You need 3 spoons of oil, okay, cooking oil, 2 spoons of honey, half cup of, this is flour, oats flour, okay, and half cup of oats, but flakes, okay, but in flakes. Good. You are going to need a wooden spoon, a normal spoon, a bowl, and a tray, okay? So, of course, remember that the first thing that you need is to have your hands very clean, okay? So, be careful or be sure that you wash your hands nicely. Great. So, the first thing that we are going to do is to take our bowl and we're going to put all the ingredients inside. In this case, I'm going to put the oats flakes, good, and the oats flour, good. You can start mix them first, like this, good. Okay, now the next step is to add the honey. Yummy! Wow! This smells really good. A little bit more, good. And now you're going to add the cooking oil. So now what you need is to mix all. So be sure that everything gets all together, all the ingredients get together, okay? Really and well mixed. Also, if you prefer, you can add like a half mashed banana, okay? That's really nice as well. So we're going to make a pause, and then when this is ready, I will show you how it's gonna be the final result, okay? So, can you see? Good. So this is like kind of the texture that it has to be, okay? So now the following step is to take more oil and we're going to add some on our tray, okay? So that helps to the cookies to not get sticky on the tray. Good. Once our tray is oiled, we're going to make little balls like this, and then we're going to push them down. And voila! We have our cookies. I'm pretty sure that mommy is going to love this recipe because you are making it with love. Once that we're done with the cookies, we need to put them in the oven. Approximate 2050 degrees, okay? There we go. Okay, so guys, I will finish with this and then I will put them in the oven and I will show you when they are cooked. Okay, see you in a while. Hello again. So look our cookies. Good. I just left them during 20 minutes or 15, in between 15 or 20 minutes, okay, in the oven. And now they are ready to be eaten. It tastes so good. So I hope you like this recipe. Have so much fun doing it at home or making it at home. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.